Welcome to Finance Hub UK, the trusted voice guiding you through the complexities of DWP rules, pension changes, and your money. In this urgent update, we focus on a dramatic new policy shift. The Department for Work and Pensions has announced new bank verification rules that will affect all UK pensioners starting from July 11, 2025. From now on, the DWP will require stricter checks on pensioners' bank details. If you fail to respond to their letters or provide the right documentation, your state pension or pension credit payments could be frozen. This is real, and it's already happening to thousands. This guide covers everything you need to know. You'll learn what new rules start on July 11th, how to verify your identity and bank account, what documents the DWP may request, how the DWP checks your account, what happens if you ignore the request, real stories from pensioners already affected, actionable tips to protect your payments. Whether you receive the basic state pension, new state pension, pension credit, or attendance allowance, this video is your must-watch resource. Let's protect your income. What changes on July 11th? Starting July 11th, 2025, the DWP is implementing a new bank verification system. All UK pensioners must verify that the bank accounts where their state pension is being paid belong to them, name matches exactly, are currently active, are not shared in a way that could lead to fraud. This change is part of the DWP's fraud prevention crackdown. Officials say it's meant to stop pension payments going into incorrect or unverified accounts. Who's affected? State pension recipients, pension credit claimants, attendance allowance recipients. Letters have already begun arriving. Some pensioners report they were asked to resubmit ID or verify their bank account online or in person. Why the DWP is doing this? The DWP claims this rule is being rolled out because of a sharp rise in fraud and overpayments, over £600 million in suspected pension overpayments in 2024. 12,000 plus cases of pension paid into a deceased relative's account. ID mismatches between HMRC, DWP, and banks. The government has said the new system will use bank-level data checks, similar to anti-money laundering protocols. This means cross-checking your national insurance number, full legal name, and account ownership using third-party verification systems. The result? More pensioners getting flagged or frozen. What documents you may need. To comply with the new rules, you may be asked to provide bank statement within the last 3 months, passport or driving license, council tax letter or utility bill, national insurance card or letter, proof of address matching your benefit records. If your account name is slightly different from your benefit name, e.g. includes a middle name or maiden name, the system may flag your payments. Even joint accounts can lead to questions. Tip: respond quickly to any letter marked from DWP Verification Services. How the DWP will verify your account. The new system uses automated matching systems that compare your benefit details with the bank's records. Here's how it works. DWP requests your bank to confirm account holder name, account number, sort code match, account status, open, closed, frozen. If a mismatch is found, DWP will send a warning letter. Pause payment until identity is verified. Important, this is not optional. Even long-time pensioners must comply. What happens if you ignore the rules? Ignoring the new verification process has severe consequences. Your state pension or pension credit may be suspended. Missed payments will not be automatically backdated. You may receive an overpayment notice if the DWP believes fraud occurred. Debt recovery agencies may be involved. Example, one pensioner in Manchester had their payment stopped for 6 weeks after failing to confirm their joint account. They had no warning except a letter they assumed was a scam. Real cases already affected. We've spoken to pensioners across the UK already caught up in the system. A widowed woman in Birmingham had her pension credit paused because her account was in her husband's name. A pensioner couple in Cardiff were told their joint account was unverifiable and had to open a new account. In Glasgow, a man's payment was halted after the system showed a mismatch in his middle name. These are real stories, and they're increasing. Many weren't contacted properly. Some got no follow-up. Tips to protect your payments. Tips for pensioners: double-check the name on your bank account matches your DWP records. Don't ignore any DWP letter, especially from verification services. Keep copies of all submitted documents. Set up a direct line with Citizens Advice or Age UK for help. If using a joint account, ensure both names are on DWP records. Bonus tip: contact your bank and ask them to send a statement with full name display and address visible. How to update your bank details with DWP. Updating your account is now easier but must be done correctly. Call the pension service on 0800 731 0469. Have your national insurance number, old account info, and new bank details ready. Ask for written confirmation that your details have been updated. Keep proof in case payments are delayed. You can also update details via the gov.uk portal using your Gateway ID. Appeals and escalations if payments are paused. If your payment is unfairly frozen, request a mandatory reconsideration immediately. Provide all proof again. Request a welfare rights advisor to assist. If not resolved within 30 days, escalate to your MP. Contact the independent case examiner. Remember, most errors are fixable if acted on quickly. Final advice and wrap-up. The DWP's July 11th changes are real, and for many pensioners, they're already causing disruption. Final advice: act fast, even if you think you're safe. Keep all letters, emails, and proof. Talk to support groups, you're not alone. Subscribe to Finance Hub UK and stay ahead of every DWP update, benefit change, and pension reform that could affect your life. Your money matters, protect it by staying informed. Thanks for watching.